right, gang, this one's a little harder to see. So the first thing I want you to notice is that it's the same, it's x plus 7 over x plus 7. So it's the same expression over the same expression here. So if you have the same thing over the same thing, that's going to have a ratio of 1. That's going to have a ratio of 1. Now, the numerator is always going to be positive because of the absolute value. The denominator is going to be positive or negative because it doesn't have the absolute value. So what that means is that if you stay to the right, so you can't, for instance, use -7 because at -7 it's indeterminate. Okay, so when x equals to -7, it's indeterminate. So you can't actually use -7, but if you use something greater than -7, like -6, you'll notice that both sides will be positive. So if you use anything greater than -7, you'll notice that both sides are positive. This again is always positive, but this will be positive. Anytime you pick anything greater than -7. And then likewise, if I pick anything less than -7, like -8, that will end up being negative. So it'll end up being -1. So if you pick -8, for instance, it's going to be 1 over -1, which is -1. So anything less than -7 will give an output of 1. Again, it's the same thing over the same thing, so the ratio is always 1. The only thing that can change is that they're both positive, or one's positive and the other one's negative. So the only outputs this function has is that it's going to be +1 or -1, okay? All right, so I have the graph here. So in terms of a discontinuity, you have a discontinuity at x equals to -7. Since it's a gap, we would say that this is non-removable. This classifies as non-removable since it's a gap. Okay, gang, I hope that helps. Catch you. Bye-bye.